Hi, this is the Oppo F23 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So we should first get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. That's why open the app and in the search pool enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, let's use the contacts icon. You could rename it by tap on this icon. Here you got the library with different folders with the icons. You could use them, or to use photo from your device gallery, or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, this is the contacts icon. Let's select one from the available ones. Tap to OK in the right tab. Tap to this X icon. Click to add. And now we could change the next icon by the same way, or to go to desktop directly. So let's just check the new contacts icon. So this is the new one and this is the regular icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.